excited to be participating with Yvonne of Ginger Chick Rehab and Yanni from Deco Easy. Their challenge is to do a second-hand farmhouse decor challenge, and the rules were to do an item that is second-hand and it has to have a farm animal. Yvonne's channel includes thrifting and farmhouse decor. She and her husband Chris redo furniture and such into the farmhouse style to resell. She does beautiful work and is always inspiring me. Yanni and her daughter Diane of Deco Easy does beautiful crafts and vignettes. They are so sweet and supportive of all of us new newbies on YouTube. They live in the Netherlands and I love seeing what they come up with. This item was made by my father and painted by my mother. It was done in the late 80s, early 90s. As you can see, the cow had yellowed over the years and I wanted to freshen it up. I cleaned it up and gave it a good washing and drying. I removed the chain so I could paint the post, and I decided to paint the post in black to give it a more modern look. I used Waverly chalk paint and ink for the black. I tried to touch up the cow because it is hard to paint over something your mom painted. She passed away in 97 and my dad in 98. I wasn't happy with how it was looking, so I talked to my husband and he pointed out that she was a crafter and if she was alive, she would have probably redone it also. So I decided to go ahead and paint the cow in black also. I used my Cricut to make decals for my sign. I put the Gazaways on each side of the cow, and also I put welcome on each side of the post. After putting on the decals, I reattached my cow to the post. I decorated it with some leftover raveled rope that I had left over from another project. And here's the finished product. I'm happy with how it turned out, even if it made me a little sad painting over it. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. It'll help my channel to grow. Thank you, Yvonne and Yanni, for hosting this challenge. And until next time, bye.